Peace and blessing, family, on this Sabbath day. This is the elder out of New Orleans coming to you with another informative video of praises to our creators and our ancestors. But family, this video is going to be about Donald Trump that went over there trying to steal some resources, sitting up there talking about Christians. And most of the Christians are over there are black Christians. This man ain't doing nothing but trying to steal some resources in Earl, trying to recolonize those people over there. And they can't seem to understand what's going on. Weak leaders, that's right. I mean, it is over there in Africa. I saw a video in Botswana where they telling them they don't want them to have control of their own diamonds. I mean, these devils that went all over the planet and want to tell everybody what to do in their own country. That's right. And boy, it's Christians. What about the black Christians in America that are being misused by so-called Christians? Because Christianity come from white folks. White Jesus come from white folks. That's right. The so-called Holy Bible came from white folks, which was stolen. A lot of that information was stolen and rearranged. These people ain't nothing but mind-controlled demons, a bunch of barbaric entities that has no love. Donald Trump don't give a goddamn about no Christians, especially black Christians in America that are being misused, that are being lynched, that are being discriminated against. No, all he wants is that Earl, same way over there in Venezuela, trying to steal oil, trying to steal gold, trying to steal natural resources that they don't have. Because Babylon is falling. America is falling. That's right. And all of them going to get their issue. But a lot of you Nigerians come to America and look down on black people when the white man, the British is over there colonized and took your land, like they took our land, like they took Papua New Guinea, like they took Australia, like they took South America, and everywhere else they're controlling other people, land, and resources. That's right, family. All this bullshit about Christians. They're supposed to be Christians. But look what they did to our people during slavery time. Stole our land because we was already living here in different tribes. That's right. So all this bullshit about Christians, and they're supposed to be Christians. So where's their love? Where's their compassion? Where's their empathy for black people in America and everywhere else? And a lot of these immigrants come here to America and look down on us. Look down on black people that's been here for thousands of years. We ain't just come here 5, 10 years ago. I know what's going on in this evil and unrighteous world. That's right, family. Well, we're going to cut this video short. Peace and blessings. Put up the likes and shares, and everybody have a blessed and beautiful Sabbath day. And I'm out.